Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So I'm going to be doing a bloom swipe today, and this is inspired by Niki D. I love her swipes. She just does beautiful blooms. So I have a light gray base that I just tinted my white. It's a house paint, and I tinted it with a little Payne's gray by Golden to get the gray. So I have a 12-inch round MDF, and it's on my cake spinner. And the first color I'm going to be putting down is Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. Next is this little piggy Funk. And this one is Dragon Fire, and that's a primary element. And we have Rose by Modern Masters. And then I have Twinkle, and it got a little pink in it, and it's a color shift. And this is this little piggy pigment. This is Sangria by this little piggy. And then I have Mermaid by this little piggy. This is Butter Toffee by Primary Elements. Yeah, so I'm going to be swiping with my 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. And I hope you enjoy the video. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. If you're not new here, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, so I'll play some music and let you enjoy. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud 9. into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
Misty blue sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I'll give anything to say hello. Come on over here.